Hi, I'm Lori, and today I'm going to show you how to make hot chocolate kits. I call this a gift of relaxation and comfort. So we're going to start. You have to find these little tubes. These tubes I found at Amazon. They're about 1.5 inches thick, they're plastic, and they screw on tops. And so what basically you're going to get these, and you're going to fill them all up with things that you like, that you want to give out for a gift. So within that I have dark chocolate pomegranate and dark chocolate blueberry candies. I got some Purolines, and I have my hot chocolate. And a little tip, with the hot chocolate you'll want to have a measuring cup as well as a funnel, because the funnel really acts to help put the hot chocolate into the tubes. Also, I use the funnel to put the sprinkles into the tubes as well. So here I have a layer of white sprinkles, a layer of chocolate sprinkles. I put some festive candies in there and filled it up with marshmallows. And I got just the miniature marshmallows at the dollar store. So we'll want to start putting our kits together. And so we'll just take one of each. And then one of these. And so these are kind of slippery, so as I made my first one I thought, okay, I'm going to just put some elastic bands on these so it helps stop them from moving around so much as you're trying to work with them. And then from there you'll put the 4 of them together with one larger elastic band around them. And there's the 4 of them. So this is the beginning of your kit. Now we want to decorate the kit. So I found this decorative ribbon at Winners, and I pre-cut some stuff. So I cut out the Merry Christmas, and I pre-cut the ribbon strips, and this is kind of a plaid. It gives you that comfort feeling. And I used my glue gun to affix the Merry Christmas to the fabric. So you'll want to take that, just kind of wrap it around, and take your glue gun and just put some beads, put a bead or a line of glue on the decorative ribbon. And pull it a bit tight and stick it on. Now if your side comes up, if you can just put another couple of dabs. Like that. You can probably hear my dogs running around in the background, but that's okay, because they're allowed to run around. And so there, so we have put together, we have the ribbon around it, and I actually like to put an additional ribbon around the bottom. Move that up a little bit and just put an additional ribbon around the bottom. And again, take your glue gun and just put a bead or a line of hot glue. I wouldn't actually glue the ribbon to the tubes, because you can reuse those tubes at another time. And again, just pull it over and use a couple of dabs of glue to secure your edges. And there you have it. So from here, I'll take some jute, just cut that off, and I'll tie it around that bottom piece of ribbon that I put in. And you just make a pretty little bow. Tie it a bit tight into a knot, and then just make a pretty little bow. And there we have that. And so I'll just keep moving along. I also wanted to include some biscotti. I thought that it would be a nice little thing to have a hot chocolate and some biscotti. So I found some almond biscotti at Winners. And I found this really cool fabric sticker sheet that kind of looks like a burlap sack. And I put saran wrap around the biscotti. And I'll just peel this off like so. And it gives you a nice sheet of fabric here. And then I took the biscotti, put it in the center of it, and then just fold it over. It's kind of like an old-fashioned wrapping gift. And you just secure it down. And it's so easy because it is sticky, and so it just kind of stays right in place. See? And then from here, I'm just going to dress that up a little bit more with some twine. I'll make it long. Cut that off. And I'm going to use some red jute as well. And here I'm going, oh, I think I'll use another one actually. And here I'm just going to tie the ribbon around the packaging. I'm going to do a little twist. I start at the top and twist it around the bottom, and then come back up, and then tie that into a little knot. There we go. And you can kind of leave it loose if you like, or you can try to put it into a little bow. Some of my ends may be a little short. Oh, there we go. And you can put it into a little bow. So this gives you another little package to go along with your hot chocolate kit. And so I'll just move over here. One final little touch that I like to include are some decorative flowers and some holly. And so if you just kind of arrange it like so, and then you can take this and just slide it down into the center of your tubes, like so. And there you have the finished product. Simple and easy. Your little hot chocolate kit with your biscotti. And here's the final product. So when I call it comfort and relaxation, we have our kit, our hot chocolate kit, our package, a book, and you can put it in a nice pretty decorative bag and give that to family and friends for a beautiful little rest, relaxation, and comfort Christmas present. Happy holidays to all, and thanks for watching.